This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: Chevrolet MyLink, a smartphone adapter, aluminum wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear curtain airbags, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, full power accessories, and satellite radio. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
DuPala Chevrolet is located at 785 Central Avenue in Albany. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.